I'm here at the allotment today, as you can see. Now last week we were learning about habitats. An allotment is a habitat because it's got lots of different plants and lots of different animals here. And we planted some of them a few weeks back, so if we have a look we'll see what's happened to them. These are potato plants, and as you can see they're growing really well, and that's because plants make their own food. They use energy from the sun, water and air, and they create their own food, which helps them to get bigger and bigger. And all food chains start with plants. These are strawberry plants, and when the fruits develop, animals like mice or slugs or snails might come along and have a little nibble on some of the fruit. These in here are all tomato plants. Remember we did the experiment with them to see what conditions tomato plants need? Well, as you look down here, this one is starting to develop a flower. Remember what happens? The flowers will turn into fruit. And now I do get to eat a lot of them, but there are other insects and animals that like to also try and eat tomato plants. Sometimes I get green fly on them, and they eat the sap from the leaves. You might get things like slugs trying to eat the fruit as well, or sometimes snails. Here we've got the shallots that we planted, and as you can see they're now starting to create their own food using the energy from the sun and using air and water. Here I've got some lettuces growing, and slugs and snails really love to eat lettuce. There's lots of grass on the allotment, and animals like rabbits like to eat grass. Here are some creatures that like to eat plants. A snail, a rabbit, a slug, a green fly, an earthworm, a mouse. Some animals eat smaller insects or animals. Here's an example, a frog. A spider might eat a fly. A robin eats insects or worms. A ladybird eats green fly. Some animals are at the top of the food chain where nothing else eats them. A badger likes to eat earthworms. Foxes eat lots of different things like frogs, rabbits and mice. Owls also like to eat frogs, rabbits and mice. A food chain is a way to show which thing is eaten by which animal. It always starts with a plant and can either go vertically like this one, or it can go across the page like this one. You could make it like this one using paper chains. We hope that you're all safe and well, and see you soon.